Hello, this is Mark, High Quality Home Maintenance, back at this house. And we got, this is the rim board right here. This would be the bottom plate of the stud wall right here. And somebody's put a board on the inside here to maybe keep the air from coming in, because it rotted all the way into the basement. This is I don't know. This is pretty severe. It's about as horrible as I've seen it. She just had the windows put in 5 years ago. Do you think they knew that when they put these windows in? You think they knew something was amiss? I don't know.